Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw a scientist that is known as the farmer's friend, George Washington Carver. He is best known for inventing hundreds of uses for peanuts, sweet potatoes, and other plants to make different products like soap, ink, and even rubber. He invented a technique called crop rotation, which helps the soil stay healthy so they would keep growing for many years. So when we are done drawing George Washington Carver, this is what he should look like. So let's get started by making his face. We will make a large U shape like this. All right, let's make his ears by going out on each side of his face. All right, let's make a curved line going up like this. And another one going up like this. And let's connect this curved line to this curved line by making a horizontal line. All right, let's make the top of his head by making a curved line going around from one ear to the other. All right, so let's make his eyes by making a rainbow shape like this. And let's make a U shape to connect for each eye. And let's make a circle inside each eye. And let's make a semicircle inside each eye and shade it in. And let's make a thick zigzag line above each eye. All right, let's make his nose by making a U shape like this. And let's give him a mustache. Let's make a M shape like this. And let's connect it by making a line like this. And then another curved line that connects from here to the end of the other mustache. All right, let's make his mouth by making a U shape like this. And let's make a little curved line for his tongue. And also we want to shade in his mustache. So let me do that right now. All right, so now let's make his body. So we are going to make his apron. We're going to make a line going out like this, a diagonal line. Then another diagonal line going out like this. And let's make a horizontal line to connect it. Let's make a V shape from here to here. And let's make a line that goes like this, a diagonal line. And another diagonal line that goes like this, which is the collar. And let's make a curved line here from diagonal line to diagonal line. And let's make another diagonal line here and one here, which is the tie. Let's give his apron a pocket by making a horizontal line here and then a U shape. Let's do another one on the other side by making a horizontal line here and a U shape like this. All right, let's have one arm behind his back. So we're going to make a curved line like this. And let's make a diagonal line from here to here, which is the end of his shirt. And let's make his pants by making a vertical line like this, a small horizontal line, and another vertical line, which is basically a rectangle. We're going to make another leg just like this. Make a vertical line like this, a horizontal line, and then connect with another vertical line. And let's make a semicircle for his shoes, one here and another one here. All right, so we have his legs. So now we are going to have him holding a sweet potato, okay, in his hand. So let's start off with the sweet potato. We're going to make a curved line like this. And then we are going to go up like this and come down like that. And then we are going to make his fingers. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and 4 wavy lines. And let's go out like this, which is part of his hand. And let's connect this sweet potato to his hand by making a little curved line like that. And let's give the sweet potatoes, I guess, blemish, because some sweet potatoes do have blemishes or little marks. So we're gonna make little lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's have this arm connect from here to the sweet potato by making a horizontal line like this. And let's make another horizontal line like this. And so we have George Washington Carver with this sweet potato in his hand. Let's have him with a peanut plant. So let's make a pot. Let's make a peanut plant in a pot. So we're going to make a curved line like this, and then continue like this, and make another curved line like this. And let's go out like this and connect to the other side. So we have a pot, and let's make the peanut plant by making a vertical line like this. And let's put leaves on this vertical line. So let's make a leaf like this. And let's make another diagonal line for another small little stem, a leaf. Let's make a diagonal line here and make another leaf. And let's make another diagonal line here and make another leaf. And let's make another diagonal line here and make another leaf. All right, so we are done drawing George Washington Carver. The next thing we need to do is color. As you can see, these are the colors that I use. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.